Hey guys, and welcome to my first video without an AI voice. Since a lot of you didn't like it, I thought I'd give it a try with my real voice this time. I'm actually German, so my pronunciation might not always be perfect. If I say something weird, feel free to let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get started. As you probably saw in the title, this video is all about my new website, which I've been working on for the past 3 weeks. I want to share the idea behind it and show you what I've built so far. This won't be the last devlog on this topic, because I really believe this could turn into something cool. And I'd love to hear what you guys think. So what's the main idea? I want to create a platform where people from all over the world can work together on projects. Kind of like an online hackathon. There will be different projects with different goals that you guys have to achieve as a team. For example, one project might be something like create a simple to-do app using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript, while another one could be build a simple AI chatbot using only Python. But there will be also other restrictions and challenges, like limited time. Okay, let me show you how the website currently looks like. First, the homepage. At the top right, you've got a navigation menu, and in the center, there's the hero section with the website's name and slogan. Right now, I'm still unsure about the name, so if you guys have any ideas, drop them in the comments. Below that, there are 2 buttons, one to explore projects and one for signing up. I'll go into more detail on those in a minute. Scrolling down, there's this short section explaining the website's goal. I kept it simple because I don't want to bore you with a huge block of text. But if you want more details, then you can click on the About Us button in the navigation menu. That takes you to another page with more background information. Now back to the homepage. If you click on the Get Started or the Login button in the top right, you'll be taken to the Login and Sign Up page. Currently it looks pretty empty, but I will improve that soon. You can log in or sign up with your username, email and password. But at the moment this doesn't actually work yet, because the site isn't connected to a database. Next up, the Explore page. Here you can see all the available projects. At the top right there are filter buttons, where you can search for projects that are currently open, finished or coming soon. And just ignore the join button for now. I originally had the idea that users have to join a project before they can work on it. But honestly, that's just unnecessary extra steps and I will definitely remove that later. I also plan to add a second filter option, so you can search by programming languages. For example, if you only know Python, then you can search for projects that only use Python. If you're done filtering, then you can look at the project cards. Each project card shows the title, start and end dates, and which programming languages and file types are allowed in the specific project. And if you don't feel like checking the dates to figure out if a project is open, finished or coming soon, there's also a status label that tells you that right away. Clicking on a project card takes you to a separate page, where you will find more details and the full task of the project. Right now my example task is super basic, but real projects will be more detailed. If you scroll down a bit, you will see a sidebar on the left, which shows all the project files. And you can also switch to a chat tab to communicate with other people working on the project. Of course, since the database isn't set up yet, the chat is just placeholder messages for now. If you hover over a file, you can rename or delete it. Clicking the plus icon lets you add new files, but only in the format allowed for that specific project. Next, to the right side. Here you can find 4 tabs. One is for editing the file content, one is for a console output, and one is for a live preview. Obviously, those only work if you actually run the code. Right now, the website only supports HTML, CSS and JavaScript, because adding other languages was just too much work for now. And the Packages tab is something for the future. Once more programming languages are added, you'll be able to install extra libraries, like Pygame for Python and so on. So that's what I've built so far. There are still a lot of things I want to improve. One big problem is that right now, anyone can edit files at the same time, which could get chaotic. My idea is to add a queue system where you can sign up to work on a project. And when the current person is done, the next person gets randomly selected. This system would also make other features possible, like report buttons for trolls or people messing around. Another idea is a like feature, as you already know it from YouTube, where you can give a thumbs up to people who do a good job improving the project. Achievements and statistics could also be fun, but I don't want to add too much at once. I'd rather hear what you guys think first. So if you like these ideas or have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Alright, that was my first devlog for the website. If you think I did a good job, leave a like. If not, feel free to dislike, but please tell me in the comments what I can do better next time. And if you want to see how this project develops in the future, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and see you next time.